Hi, I'm Michael. Nice to meet you. Right, I went to Wanganui for 4 years and then 3 years in Victoria. Yeah. We don't have a team there, but we always go to GBA.
Hong Kong is more rapid, more multinational. Hong Kong always deal with China. But in New Zealand, we don't do much on that. We do trade quite a lot to China, but not as many the industry as like Hong Kong. The New Zealand companies act more sustainable. They're more concerned about long-term relationship with the clients, and they do not as fast as Hong Kong's pace. My first priority of my position right now is to promote New Zealand business to China and also help the New Zealand companies invest to China as well. Since China is always the best place for manufacturing and also having the best technology in manufacturing. So bringing in New Zealand companies to China is the first priority, I would say. In this year, we actually received a lot of invitation from different GBA cities to do a site visit to their industrial area, visiting big companies, AI companies. So we do actually get the chances to understand a lot about GBA. Every year we do get invited to go to the Canton Fair. That is a great chance to understand what China is manufacturing, what they can build. So New Zealand Chamber join those two Canton Fairs every year. We have been in Hong Kong for over 20 years. We do have very good connections with different China government departments. We do connect with different industries. Neither those companies are in Hong Kong or in New Zealand. We always give them weekly news. We have a newsletter to tell them the recent situation of the GBA in Hong Kong, what the government's policies are. So this is how our chambers are doing. My first advice is actually talk to us. Our chambers could really help. We can certainly provide them lots of advice and introduce them to the professionals like accountants, lawyers, people who have certain experience doing business in China. We can always share our experience with them.